Hey everybody, it's Kristen, aka the Thrifty Raven. I'm coming to you tonight with a Target Fall 2019 haul. I went directly from work to Target and I picked up a lot of the stuff that I was looking to get out of this new 2019 line for the Bullseye Playground. The only thing I did not get that I really wanted was the window that I saw on Bargain Bethany's channel. That's the only thing that they did not have. I'm really excited to show you what I got, and it's going to be a lot of cool projects coming up. So first things first, I was able to get the Boo pillow. When the Bullseye Playground releases new themed items for the holidays, I know pillows are one of the first things to go. So I was really excited to get this. It's good quality, it's a good size, stripey on the back, pumpkin with Boo in the front. Super excited about this one. I hate something like this. I just figured it would be nice maybe to even give as a gift or just use as inspiration and see if I could recreate it. I thought it was super cute. It was only $3 and it has like the really neat twisted stem, which I really like. That's one of the favorites that I got today. Although, did I need a buffalo shad pumpkin? I mean, yes. These stickable wooden letters, and it says apple picking with a little wooden apple. And I thought this was so cute. They had another one, I believe, that said trick or treat, but it was glittery. This is really awesome. It's a decorative poster, so it's like a backdrop. So this is gonna be a new backdrop. I know you can't wait to see it. Everybody's like, Kristen, we're sick of you filming in random spots in your house. And I'm like, now you don't have to be. When I went into Hobby Lobby, these were all over the place and people were putting decorative flowers and other little decorations in them. I'm gonna do the same thing. Lord knows I have plenty of florals and greenery and little pumpkins. So I'm gonna make it fall-y and then I'm gonna make a video. Banner, and it spells out home, except that the O in home, it looks to be like little mock ivory, what? Clover. Ivy? It's been a long day. It looks to be little mock ivy leaves in the O. So I'm not sure that I'm going to keep this banner style. I might definitely think of another way to use this in a different project. But either way, speaking of letters, I also got these wooden letters that spell out welcome. They are huge. These were $3 and they are real wood. So I know sometimes in the dollar spot, it's easy to think, oh, it's just $3, it's just $2, but genuinely, I don't think this would be $3. Even at like Hobby Lobby, I think it would probably be around $5.99 or $6. So I figured it would be a good investment. I can use this at any time of the year. A wooden welcome sign can be decorated in any style. Totally great investment for $3. Totally gonna use that. This one says thankful, again, can be used any time of year. Although Thanksgiving is the ideal time to use this, I mean thankful, grateful, blessed. You've been seeing that all year for the last couple of years. Another great investment, and you can even use the letters in a different project, so totally worth grabbing. This little sign is so cool. It says gather. And it looks galvanized at first glance, but it's actually gray felt, and I'm just like, that's amazingly genius. So if I ever am in a pinch and I need something that looks galvanized, I know that like a light gray felt will be sort of convincing. Who knew? Shape leaves. I'm going to use these in a fall sign project because some of them are metallic, and I just love the metallic look, especially in the fall, and I'm going to figure out something to do with these that is going to be super cute. I don't have any plan for these yet specifically, but that's what Pinterest for and all these other channels that I see that I get genius inspiration. This magnolia leaf pick with these beautiful orange and gold magnolia tree leaves. And I had no idea that magnolia trees turned this beautiful orange and gold color, but it makes me want to plant one in my front yard or move to Georgia. Eucalyptus pick, you can use this any time of year, and this is a pretty good size pick. I mean, at the dollar store, they're not generally cloth, they're more of like a plasticky material, and these are definitely cloth. Is it great quality? Definitely not, but I mean, was $3 and I can use it in a lot of different projects. This is the seeded eucalyptus pick. I just thought this was a cool take on the eucalyptus. The leaves are bigger, so if I'm using it in a wreath or maybe that little wooden basket tray, I've got a little bit more of a accent piece, I guess, than just having the regular leaves. So I got that. I got these really pretty fall ornaments, and I got 2 leaves, and they're rimmed in gold glitter, which I'm not wild about as I am not a big fan of glitter, but I know I could repurpose those, so I invested. I got these because, guys, like, if you have watched my videos now, you know that I have cats. I have 4. That's not my fault. I am only a borderline crazy cat lady. The 4th one we just rescued in July, and it was bad circumstances, but they only had 3 of these little kitties, but I'm definitely going to use these for Halloween decoration. I don't know what yet, but I've got plans. Again, they're rimmed in this gold glitter, which I may even just sand off. I got these really pretty orangey brown pumpkins. I don't know what my obsession is since I built that truck, but I just want all the little mini pumpkins. I want all of them. I also got those in gray because I have not seen gray pumpkins, and I thought these were really pretty. There's like a dark gray and a light gray. It's sort of like an ombre fade down to a light gray, and I thought those were really pretty because I'm going to do a video where I do like a black and white fall theme. Speaking of black and white, oh, how adorable are these? So you put a battery in, they have a little built-in LED. This one looks just like a barn. I ended up getting 2 of the barn ones because I want to do one in like a fall theme and I want to do one in like a Christmas theme. So I'm actually going to use these for more than just the fall holiday. They have this one, it's like a little farmhouse. And then this one is like a taller farmhouse. This one I might turn into a haunted house, honestly, because it's just got that kind of vibe. Again, here's my other barn. I'm going to use one for Christmas decoration. I'm going to be using this in an upcoming video about that whole blush pumpkin, pink pumpkin trend that I have been seeing at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. I love the look. It doesn't necessarily match any decor that I have in my house, but I do love the look of it. So I'm going to be using this in just an upcoming video for inspiration on some pumpkins that I'm going to be painting from Dollar Tree. I got this little guy because, hello, she's the Thrifty Raven. He's got a little witch's hat on. I mean, who doesn't need this in their house? I add him to my Raven collection, which if you're interested in seeing, I'll be happy to show you, in addition to the ones on my arm. So, I also got these 2 little black suede pumpkins, which are now covered in gold glitter. Thank you, Target. Again, they have the twisted stem, which I really, really love. I'm going to be using them in that black and white decor video. They're super soft and squishy, which I love. I don't know why I'm such a sucker for that. I got this little purple floral pick. I'm going to be using that maybe in that wooden basket. I got this little wooden apple decoration that I'm going to be using in an apple picking sign that I'm going to be making. Next I got, how adorable are these? They are sequined squishy pumpkins. This one is like a black turned to gray sequin. This one is a really pretty opalescent white sequin. And this one is so beautiful. It looks like dragon scales to me. It's like, it's black, but it's got like that opalescent finish to it, to where it looks like dragon scales. I don't know if you know what I mean, but it like reflects purple and green. If I see any more of these, I'm going to grab them. This was the only one that they had, and I snatched it up with the quickness. So, last but not least, I got these burlap sacks. this is what I'm going to use to make my apple sign that I was talking about. Guys, locally grown apples and pumpkins. Can you even? How adorable is that? So I'm going to do something with these. I'm not sure what. If anybody is interested in a giveaway, because I don't know how many Targets are going to feature these. So if somebody is maybe interested in a giveaway, if I can, you know, interest anybody in that, just let me know in the comments if you're interested in a giveaway. And I did get 2 of these because they have the little farmhouse truck and they were so cute, and I thought maybe I could like give it as a gift, but I would also be willing to do a giveaway. So if you're interested, let me know. That concludes my Target dollar spot haul. I've got to find a place to hide this so that my boyfriend does not have me committed for purchasing every single Halloween and fall themed item that there is. And let me know in the comments, again, if you're interested in maybe the giveaway for maybe the locally grown bag, and who knows, any projects that I'm coming up I would love to do giveaways with, because I do not have a lot of space and I'd be happy to share the wealth. So thank you guys so much for watching. I have more video ideas to load this week. I have more video ideas coming up. Obviously, I have plenty of supplies to make new videos. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you to all of my subscribers, and I'll see you in the next one.